Nobody expected such a strong hailstorm hit Saudi Arabia. The bad weather was accompanied by hail and heavy rain. Some roads were flooded with both water and hail. Residents were hiding in shelters from the huge hail. Due to heavy rains, some parts of the city were flooded. In desert regions, rains formed entire rivers. Schools have already begun to eliminate the consequences of bad weather. The streets were flooded, making it difficult for pedestrians to move around normally. A terrible storm struck during the night. No injuries were reported as a result of the hail. This type of weather is very rare for this region. The hail was so strong that it easily broke car windows. But due to climate change, such events will continue in the future. This severe weather is rare for this area. Streams of water rushed into nearby cities, causing floods there. However, this does not frighten local residents. On the contrary, they are happy. The flooding has affected traffic.
ما شاء الله تبارك الله.
Damage to infrastructure created serious difficulties. Heavy rain was accompanied by thunder, lightning, hail and strong winds.
يوم الجمعة الموافق 16 من شهر جمادى الثاني.
Local authorities have already begun pumping water from basements and flooded streets. Extreme weather conditions have disrupted daily life.
و45 29 من شهر ديسمبر لعام.
City streets turned into impassable rivers. Much of the country was hit by storms. In some places, wind gusts reached 150 kilometers per hour. Because of this, there were frequent power outages. Cars flowed through the streams like toy boats. Hail was also reported, which partially damaged crops. Flash flooding paralyzed the region, hitting with the force of seasonal rains. A large amount of water accumulated in the desert region. Thousands of people were forced to flee their homes, seeking refuge. No casualties were reported. Experts warn of the possibility of further disturbance from nature. The bad weather was accompanied by hail and heavy rain. Residents had to take shelter due to the storm.